Man, these withdrawals are going to be bad. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. I'd like to comment on that because I see a lot of people add that in the comments on my YouTube channel. And it doesn't have to be that way. Yes, there's going to be a little bit of something because when you unwire a negative brain pattern from your brain and start hardwiring in a new, better brain pattern, change is hard anytime. Change is hard, and ditching all the old habits that got you in the position that you're in and building new habits that are going to help you move in the right direction, there's going to be a little bit of struggle and challenge there. But here's what I'm here to tell you in this video is that if you add brain training, and there's a way to do it super affordably, if you add brain training to your recovery program, you can be more successful, especially if you have me help you. But you can definitely be more successful because what's happening is you're training your brain to work better. So literally on a daily basis, you are telling your brain to use the pattern for calm focus, the relaxed, engaged mode. And you're telling your brain, you're teaching it to make less of anxiety mode, less of bored mode, so it doesn't need to be stimulated or calmed on a minute-to-minute basis because you're making the pattern through your training that doesn't need the supernormal stimulus of porn. When you do that, your withdrawals decrease because at the core, you're changing the brain pattern that needs pornography. So if your brain doesn't need it as much, then you don't have the withdrawals that you would if you just had the old brain pattern up here. I'm bored, I'm stressed, I need something. If you keep using that brain pattern and don't train it down and don't train the better one up, then you're going to have withdrawals because what you're doing without brain training is you're just counting on the unwiring of this pattern. It's called AntiHebbian Learning theory. You're just waiting for the pattern that you've created over the last 1, 2, 5, 7, 15, 20 years. You're waiting for that pattern to unravel. And then you're waiting once it's unraveled, which will give you lots of withdrawals. You are waiting for your nervous system to just create a new one, the rewiring through Hebb's law. The most powerful way to do it is to teach it to unwire, teach it to rewire, and change your behaviors at the same time so that you have a top down, brain down, and bottom up, body and mind up to the brain approach. It's comprehensive. Okay, so if you want me to help you, I've created an awesome short course jam-packed with totally actionable lessons, 10 of them. It's at my website at drtrishleigh.com. It's only $49. I'm trying to do exactly what porn does to all of you. I'm trying to make it affordable, accessible, and anonymous. We don't have to meet each other, but of course, I'd love to meet you and help you out in person. But if you go to that course for less than $50, I can tell you how to get very affordable brain training started. And I have nothing to do with it. I don't have to do anything with it if you don't want me to, but I can tell you how to get started. In that course, there's an exclusive 15% off discount off of the headband that you'll need. And there's 10 awesome lessons that teach you all about it and tell you exactly what to do. So go there, get it going, and I'd love to help you be on the recovery journey that doesn't involve all those withdrawals. Okay, so remember, control your brain or it'll control you.